Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 176. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 9, 5. If we look at this column, we're missing 4 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes. So our 2 must be here. We've got a 5 here. So 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. And the 7 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. 8 here, so 1, 4. And no help here, 1, 4, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. No help here, 1, 6, 9. 1 here, so 6, 9. 6 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. No help here, 3, 4, 9. 4 covering this box and a 3 here means this is our 9. That 4 means this is our 3, 4. We can get rid of this 9. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. That makes this our 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 9. I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. We can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 4, 9. So that means the only place our 6 can be in this box is here. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 9. If the 7 can't be here or here, it has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 9, 5. That 4 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 9, 4, 9, 4. And that 4 makes this our 8 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.